Hello, welcome back to Slick F150. Today I'm working on a little project. It's one of those dash cam. I got it from Amazon. It's a very nice camera, and I had it in my 21 F150, and I upgrade. I traded for this Expedition. So now the easiest way to wire this is by removing the door seal, which is very simple. It's you got a few clips, and then you will have ton of space. So that'll be your main ground. And I went with the bottom fuse, that one right there, the green one on the corner, and the bottom corner. That's for the heating steering wheel. So I hide the cable all the way through here. I went on the ceiling, and then all away on the top. So it comes right there. It's a clean installation, and it's very nice. And that's the easiest way to have this one installed, and the cleanest. Very simple, very easy, half an hour the most. Probably the easiest mod you can do in this vehicle. And it's nice to have a dash cam, you never know, right? So it's good to have some footage. And we're gonna put it together and see how it looks after it's done. Okay, all done. Door seal is back in place. Water seal is on. The cable is running through here, right? All the way on the ceiling, and there you go. We have power. Now we have power while the truck is on, right? So when we shut it off, it shuts off. So, and it keeps the memory, day and time and all that stuff, so it's all good. So it's all good. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful for somebody who wants to do it. Thanks for watching. Bye now.